Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izanuddin bin Omar. Number matric is 2776XX. Today, I want to present about introduction. Then, basic calculus. We choose the subtopic is linear function. A function f is a linear function if and only if fx can be written in the form. The formula is fx equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constant and m is not equal to 0. Suppose that fx equal to mx plus c is a linear function and we let y equal to fx. Then y equal to mx plus c, which is an equation of a straight line with slope m and y-intercept c. Thus, the graph of a linear function is a straight line. We say that the function fx equal to mx plus c has a slope m. After that, the exponential function. The formula for exponential function is fx equal to bx. Let's start with b bigger than 0 and b is not equal to 1. Then the positive integer exponent. For example, xn equal to x multiply x and another when n is a function of x. And this is a formula to exponent rules. The next topic is application for differentiation. We choose subtopic maximum or minimum value and critical point. Maximum or minimum value occurs when dy per dx equal to 0. How to determine whether maximum or minimum value? Find the second order derivative and check the answer. Maximum if d power 2y per dx power 2 lower than 0, this is negative. After that, minimum if d power 2y per dx power 2 bigger than 0, this is positive. After that, critical point. Find value of x by fx prime equal to 0. Critical point is equal to fxy. Then determine the minimum and maximum value the critical point. Then for topic integration. In topic integration, we choose subtopic is area under curve and area between two curves. For the formula of area under curve, A upper limit, B lowest limit, fx dx bounded by y equal to fx, x equal to A and x equal to B, y equal to fx. Area between two curves. The formula of area between two curves, A, B upper limit, C upper limit, fx minus gx dx bounded by y equal to fx, y equal to gx, x equal to A, x equal to B. This is all from me. For example question, I will pass for next presenter. Thank you.
In this video, I'm gonna go over some basic questions relating to linear equations. So let's start with this problem. First, what is the slope? We want to find the slope using 1, -2 and 3, 4. So first, we use this formula m equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to 4 is y2, -2 is y1 divide 3 minus 1 equal 6 over 2 equal to 3. So our slope here is 3. Next, if the question wants us to find an equation, first we have to know the slope. But here we already know the slope, which is 3. So the second step is we use point slope form, which are y minus y1 equal mx minus x1. Here our y1 is -2 and x1 is 1. So put in the value into the formula. We got we got y plus 2 equal 3x minus 3, 3x minus 3 multiply 1. So y equal 3x minus 5, because negative 3 minus 2, we got an equation y equal 3x minus 5. Next, if we want to sketch the graph, so our equation here is y equal 3x minus 5. Our m here is positive 3, our c is negative 5. So we know that if m is positive, our line will be move upstairs like this. Here is negative 5 is c, m move upstairs. So here is our graph. Next, I'm gonna go over some basic questions relating to exponential functions. So let's start with this problem. First, 125 raised 2 over 3. 5 raised 3 equal to 125 multiplied with 2 over 3. Then we use this rule, which means 3 multiplied 2 over 3, we got 2. Then we got 25. 5 raised 2 is 25. Next, 1 over 81 equal 9 raised 4x minus 6. We change 81 to 3 raised 4 equal to 3 raised 2, which means 9, multiply 4x minus 6. For the denominator, we use this rule to get 3 raised negative 4 equal 3 raised 8x minus 12, because we multiply 2 multiply 4x, 2 multiply negative 6. Then, since both sides are same value, so we can solve. Negative 4 equal 8x minus 12. Negative 4 plus 12 equal to 8 equal 8x. So 8 divide 8, we get 1. So the solution here is 8 equal to 1. Next, 3 plus 3e raised 3 minus x equal 9. 9 minus with 3, we got 6. Then 3e raised 3 minus x, we can cancel 3 and 6, then it will be 1 and 6 will be 2. Here e raised 3 minus x equal 2. So we use natural log of both sides. So it will be ln e raised 3 minus x equal ln 2. Then move exponent to the front. This exponent to the front, 3 minus x ln e equal to 1 equal ln 2. So 3 minus x equal ln 2. X will be 3 minus ln 2. If you want the answer in decimal, you can use calculator to get this value.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Putri Wana Shazrina binti Surani, metric number 277617. So, for the topic application of differentiation, I have chosen minimum and maximum value. So, for example, this question, an open top box is to be made by cutting small congruent square from corners of a 12 x 12 cm sheet of tin and bending up the side. How large should the square cut from the corners be to make the box hold as much as possible? So, we know from this, we need to find the maximum. So there is 5 steps. First step, we must search for this volume. So length times height times width. 12 minus 2x times 12 minus 2x, we get 144x minus 48x squared plus 4x cubic. For the second step, we differentiate this answer and we get 144 minus 96x plus 12x squared. Third step, this differentiate answer, we equate it to 0. So 144 minus 96x plus 12x squared, we divide it by 12, we get 12 minus 8x plus x squared. Then we factorize this, we get x equal to 6 and x equal to 2. So for fourth step, we take the answer from second step, we do the second derivative, and then substitute the answer from third step, x equal to 6 and x equal to 2. So, the first one, negative 96 plus 24, substitute with 2, we get negative 48 less than 0. Then the second one, we do second derivative, and substitute with 6, we get 48 larger than 0. So, we need to find the maximum. So, we take this one, negative 48. So, for the fifth step, after we get maximum, which we use x equal to 2, we substitute x equal to 2 into the first formula. Then we get 144 bracket 2 minus 48 bracket 2 power of 2 plus 4 bracket 2 power of cubic. We get the answer 128 cm cubic. So the conclusion is when x equal to 2, the volume equal to 128 cm cubic. So the maximum volume is the answer. For the second subtopic critical point, I'm going to show two types of function. For the first one, function fx, which means it only have one variable. Fx equal to x cubed minus 12x plus 1. There are three steps. First step, we differentiate the function. We get 3x squared minus 12. Second step, we equal it to 0. So 0 equal to 3x squared minus 12. We get 12 equal to 3x squared. Then 4 equal to x squared. We take the power of 2 to the other side and we get x equal to 2 and minus 2. For the third step, substitute the value from here we get, which is x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2, to the function. So f equal to 2, we substitute it, we get negative 15. X equal to negative 2, we substitute, we get 17. So there are two critical points that we get, which is 2, negative 15 and negative 2, 17. For the second type, function fxy, which means it has two variables x and y. Fxy equal to 2xy minus 3x minus y minus x squared minus 3y squared. So there is four steps. The first one, we need to do partial differentiate for x d over dx. Fxy equal to 2y minus 3 minus 2x. Second step, differentiate d over dy. Fxy equal to 2x negative 1 negative 6y. Third step, we need to add up first equation and second equation. We get negative 4y negative 4 equal to 0. We need to find the y. So we do negative 4y equal to negative 4, y equal to negative 1. For the fourth step, we substitute y equal to 1 into 1 because we want to search for the x. 2 bracket negative 1, negative 3, negative 2x equal to 0. We get negative 5, negative 2x equal to 0. Then negative 2x equal to 5, x equal to negative 5 over 2. So critical point from this equation, this function, is negative 5 over 2 and negative 1.
We are going to find area under curve. The first question, we will calculate area under curve bounded by fx, x squared plus 2, the x-axis, x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. From the graph, the shaded area is the area which bounded by the question given, which is the x-axis, x equal to 0, x equal to 4, and the function x squared plus 2. We will find the area using this formula. So we get area equal to integral with upper limit 4 and lower limit 0. And then function equal to x squared plus 2 dx. We apply basic rule of integration and then fill in the value of limit in the x. So we get the answer 88 over 3 unit square. Lastly, we will solve the question of area between two curves. The question given, two functions, which is fx equal to 27 minus x squared and gx equal to 2x squared. For this question, in order to get the limit of integral, we will find intersection point between these two curves. So we get coordinates for intersection point 318 and negative 318. Based on the graph sketch, the area between two curves is this shaded area. So we can use this formula to get the answer. Area equal to integral with upper limit 3 and lower limit negative 3, and then we use fx minus gx, which is 27 minus x squared minus 2x squared dx. First, solve equation in the square bracket. So we get 27 minus 3x squared. Next, integrate and we get 27 x minus x to the power of 3. And then substitute the limit value in x and we get the answer 108 unit square.